107.6 Juice FM.
Tell us what this is all about.
So we're talking today a bit about the future of aesthetic treatments, why there's been such an increase in the need or the demand for non-surgical aesthetic treatments, and how companies such as, our company Derma Medical, linked with Intraline, have manufactured a natural-based product with safer-based training. So increasing awareness.
Give us an idea of, just how much desire there is for these kind of products.
So nearly a third of UK adults had treatments aesthetically. This was in a recent survey conducted by Intraline for changing job or career to maintain their youthfulness, because in their opinion that would equate to success in their workplace. Just to give you more of an idea, in women, 1 in 5 UK women have requested dermal fillers just to turn back the clock and retain any sort of form of beauty and aesthetic appearance. And Liverpool, being the region where most people in the UK have had cosmetic treatments due to a significant birthday event as well. So you can see the demand, it's quite high and on the uprise as well.
Why do you think Liverpool is so popular for this?
I think it's difficult to say. I've never been to Liverpool. I don't actually work up north, but Liverpool being, it seems to be aesthetically the aesthetic capital of the UK. You see lots of people, younger cohorts of people, wanting these kind of treatments, mainly because of the location and what's available. I think there's lots of awareness out there as well. Lots of the aesthetic corporates tend to work in that area.
As far as the products themselves, how much of a difference do these make? And is there that kind of potentially addictive side to them?
I think it is a slippery slope, and I think a lot of that comes down to the practitioner who's actually doing the work to guide them. It's a vulnerable group of patients that really need some guidance, especially if they overcross the line. Products like Intraline have manufactured. They've done studies to manufacture a product which is very natural looking. It's got very high molecular density, meaning you can achieve natural results with small quantities. So in terms of what you can achieve, it's not an artificial look that we're going for.
How far will this go? Because obviously, over the last sort of decade, we've seen treatments advance dramatically. What's going to be the next thing that people start having?
Well, what we are seeing is a significant reduction in surgical treatments and a significant increase in non-surgical treatments. By non-surgical treatments, I refer to neurotoxins and dermal fillers. And the reason for that is it's just minimally invasive. You don't have to go into the operation or a knife. It's reversible. Lots of the treatments actually can wear off. They're not permanent. So it's a nice bridging measure for somebody who's new to aesthetic treatments. And with the increase in the number of procedures being displayed, I think we're seeing more upper and lower face treatments as well as more non-invasive treatments hitting the market.
Talk about the side of things that people just go getting these things done to go for job interviews and things like that. There would be a time where you'd maybe buy yourself a new shirt, do you know what I mean, to go into. Is this reminiscent of like the culture now? Is this the way things are, that it's that easy to people can nip out on lunch breaks and things like that?
Well, the industry is unregulated, so it's easy to go out and get it done. But we're pushing for safer standards. We're making sure things are done properly and the right person has the right treatment. Not just the right treatment, but the right product. You probably heard the negative media hype out there with all the things going wrong, the wrong fillers being used in the wrong areas, and people who aren't really licensed to provide these treatments. I think that it is easy to do, but hopefully things are going to get safer in the future.
Just finally, if people want to find out more about Intraline, where should they go to?
So Intraline has their own website. Have you had a chance to look at that? Intraline.com?
I have.
And also you can find out through Derma Medical. We have our links between both companies.
Fantastic. Thanks so much.